Alright guys, so what is up? So 2020 is almost over, मतलब एक दो घंटे में. I know बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि 2020 worst year ever. I mean, it wasn't that bad, as they say, it's all okay if the end's okay. अंत भला तो सब भला. So ending is fine. So I guess 2020 was also fun. Well, it was pretty bad, wasn't it? So this video is about how to compensate for 2020. मतलब कि अगर 2020 तुम्हारा बहुत ही बकवास साल रहा तो 2021 कम से कम इतना अच्छा होना चाहिए कि साथ में दोनों साल इन द लॉन्ग रन सीम्स एटलीस्ट फाइन एंड होपफुली इवन ऑसम. तो ये जो वीडियो है और 3-4 वीडियो जो आने वाली है इन द नियर फ्यूचर आर बेसिकली एक्सपेरिमेंट्स जो मैं अपने साथ कर रहा हूँ टू मेक माई 2021 एज गुड एज इट कैन बी एंड होपफुली आई वुड लव if you guys do those experiments with me. Now, this is just me trying different things. I'm not saying I know what you should do to make your life better. I don't know. I'm just as stupid as you. Yes, I call you stupid. I'm stupid too. We're all stupid. Let's just face it. Alright? And that's why I think we need to do experiments like these to not be stupid anymore. So I hope तुम लोग ये experiments मेरे साथ करोगे. That being said, let's begin with the first video of this year. The best year. So guys, the first practice for this year, for this series, for this video, whatever you want to call it, I'm calling it 212. There's nothing fancy about it. It's basically 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So you have to write 5 pages, which I'm going to do too. You have to write 2 pages about how the past year was terrible or everything that went wrong, and 1 page about how you could have made things better, and then 2 more pages about how the next year could be much, much, much better. Now I understand this might feel a बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं करना टाइप का, एंड इफ यू फील लाइक दैट यू माइट नॉट वांट टू सी द वीडियो एनी फर्दर बिकॉज इस वीडियो में पूरे में बात करने वाला हूँ and it's a conceptual video, so it's going to be a lot of talking, and if you're not into that, I understand. You can. Alright, तो सबसे पहले write down 2 pages about 2020, मतलब what went wrong, जो भी चीज़ें गलत हुई, everything in 2020. For example, मेरे लिए होगा, well, first of all, obviously the pandemic hit, जो कि सबके लिए होगा. Then my channel got hacked. I started uploading here, but I didn't upload frequently. मैंने short film complete नहीं करी, and I did not even complete my retirement fund जो मुझे करना था. So these are a couple of things which went wrong for me in 2020. अभी तो सिर्फ 2-4 lines थी, right? But when you have to write 2 pages, you have to go in depth. और हो सकता है जब तुम in depth जाओ तो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हों जो कि तुम्हें पता भी नहीं थी, consciously at least, and then you figure them out like, oh, wow, this was very wrong. तो इस सब को लिखने के बाद you should get depressed because तुम्हारे सारे फेलियर्स साल के तुम्हारे मुंह के सामने. अब उन सब फेलियर्स पे स्टोइसिज्म का धब्बा पेल दो. What is Stoicism? Glad you asked. Stoicism is a philosophy. It will take a lot of videos to explain that, or even I'm not sure if I can explain it properly. You have 2 type of things. Things जिनको तुम कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, things जिनको तुम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. तो जिनको तुम कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, उन पे तुम फोकस करोगे, and that's it. For example, the pandemic I cannot control, but making more videos I could have controlled. So that's bad, right? So I will focus on that, not on the pandemic. Again, focus on the things which you can control. Alright guys, so on to the last step. Write 2 pages in detail कि अगर 2021 will be the best year possible, practically speaking, तो कैसा होगा? तो guys, let's say this is you, and if you don't know where you're going, this is you this year. But if you know, like वो जो last वाला गमला है, that is your goal, at least you can try. Now you might not get it, but no matter what, one thing will happen, you'll get close. And अगर वो चीज़ वो गोल तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा नहीं भी है, so you'll understand that it's not the right goal for you, and that's not a waste of time. Marshall, बॉल लेके आओ वाली. Marshall, बॉल का है? यूजुअली हम लोगों को लगता है कि हमें सब कुछ पता है कि हमारे लिए क्या अच्छा है, हमारे लिए क्या बुरा है, हमें क्या करना चाहिए और हमें क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. बट इफ आई रियली आस्क यू टू राइट 2 pages या फिर more in detail about what is good for you, what you should be doing, can you really write in detail? Probably not. Maybe I cannot, or maybe you all can and I'm just stupid, but I don't think so. So for me, it's something like making at least 2 short films, good ones, or 50 से like 52 videos upload करना on this channel for the year, and about the same amount of podcast, और learning a musical instrument. So again, these were just a couple of points, but जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, when we really get to writing in depth, we figure out things we didn't know. तो ऐसे हमें काफ़ी चीज़ें पता होती है जो कि हमें पता नहीं है कि हमें पता है, but हमें पता है. No kidding. इसमें भी it's really important that you do not forget to add stoicism after that. I'm not promoting stoicism. मुझे नहीं लगता कोई भी एक philosophy is the best one. Just take good things from everyone. लेकिन हाँ, so I'm not writing I need X amount of subscribers. I need X amount of views. I'm not doing that. I'm doing I need X amount of videos I want to make. Because on the most part I can control that. I can write कि मुझे at least इतनी quality content की चाहिए और video की चाहिए. Because I can control that. Even if someone is making the best content possible, it doesn't necessarily mean they will get the most views and the subscribers, right? कोई देखे ना देखे, कोई comment करे ना करे, कोई share करे ना करे, it's all out of my control. So I'm not gonna worry about that. Obviously, I will take criticism. I will try to be better after taking criticism. After all, I'm not making these videos just for myself. I'm making these videos to be seen. And जो लोग देख रहे हैं, so I'm supposed to be taking the criticism from them. So I'll always try to be better, but I wouldn't care about numbers. So guys, last thing I want to say is I'm not saying कि हाँ, this is a definitive way to having the best year. I'm not even saying this will work. I'm just saying it's an experiment that I'm doing on myself. I would love if you guys want to do it. If you don't want to, it's fine. But I'll still recommend किसी ऐसे बंदे की वीडियो देख लो जो कि शायद कहता हो कि this will work, and at least try that instead of just mindlessly surfing through YouTube and all of the social media. I don't think it's a good idea. But who am I to tell you anything? Anyways, that being said, thanks a lot for watching this video, the first video of the year. That's nice. Happy New Year, guys, and I hope you do have a great one. Me too. Alright, guys. You'll see me next week here on Sunday. By the way, video start करने से पहले, this guy was totally bothering me. But जैसे मैंने video start की, he's not bothering me anymore. That's nice. So अभी मैंने literally इसको बुलाया. That's good. Alright. Let's have a good year, right? Let's have a good year, buddy. Let's have a good year. Alright, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. बस. Hey, बस. Shh. Hey, easy. Shh. हो गया पागल. Hey. Okay. Hey.